Greenhouse gases surge part 2. Number 3, record sea level. While the global sea level reached record high in 2017 for the sixth consecutive year, the world's average sea level is now 3 inches, 7.7 centimeter higher than in 1993. I think of the oceans like a freight train. Oceanographer Gregory Johnson from NOAA's Pacific Marine Environmental Laboratory told the reporters, if we were to freeze greenhouse gases at the level they are today, the oceans would continue to warm and the seas would continue to rise for centuries to millennia. Number 4, extreme rains. Precipitation in 2017 was clearly above the long-term average, said the report. Warmer oceans temperatures have led to the increasing moisture in the air, particularly in the last 3 years, causing more rain. Climate change can also exacerbate extreme weather. Some parts of the world suffered extended droughts of demonstrating that extreme precipitation is not evenly distributed across the globe. Number 5, most destructive coral bleaching. Ocean warming over the last few years has been blamed for widespread coral bleaching as disease spreads in the precious habitat for fish and marine life. The most recent global coral bleaching lasted 3 full years, June 2014 to May 2017, and was the longest and most widespread and almost the most destructive such on record, said the report. In fact, it all continues, and it all goes to devastate the Pakistan. Talk about glaciers. Well, Pakistan's glaciers in the north, which are in large number, they are melting, and they are melting at a very fast pace. The rivers in Pakistan feed on these glaciers, so excessive flooding has been reported. Torrential rains have been reported. Droughts have been reported. And in fact, it has resulted in a climate change which has devastated the region. We had a devastating flood in Pakistan in year 2022, and in year 2023 we are in a processing era, and we may witness yet another destruction of a flood this year as well. India has already witnessed her part of the tragedy, the misery, and they have been allowing this flood water into Pakistani rivers, the river of Satluj, the river of Ravi, the river of Beas. Another river which has been forsaken in the history, the Ghagra river. Indians have very recently pumped their flood water in Ghagra river as well. So such a misery has got socio-economic diverse impacts for Pakistan as well. The things are worst at the position, and of course Pakistan needs resources to deal with them, and this is what Pakistan lacks. Let's see what happens in the coming years.